My name is Martin Pinsonneau. I'm a Montreal-based sound designer. I operate a company called Sonomar with few colleagues. We're mostly focusing on sound post-production, but we've been also collecting field recordings, and we compiled a lot of our field recordings into collections that we're going to release in the next year called Sonomar Collection with Pro Sound Effects. And as an introduction, we're gonna have a collection called Bass Machine, which is a more sound design-oriented collection based on metal resonance and drones. So we created, Paul Cole and I, an instrument which we called Bass Machine. Together we took some basic wood, glass, and guitar pickups along with a bass string. And also we used some contact mics, so it's either the guitar pickups or the contact mics that were actually the source of our recording. We use this along with a lot of accessories, tools, screwdrivers, pliers, hammer, motors, things like this, and we kind of made these sounds and we played with them and we tried to make emerge some sustains, like weird tonalities and very like moody. It's cinematic and it's got a lot of drones, a lot of grinds, growls, punches, and things like this. It's surprising what you can take in terms of sound from this and after this in post-production. So we'll have a chance to look at them together and you'll see it for yourself. So we've produced a total of 89 sounds, raw files, that were recorded at 192 kilohertz. They've been recorded originally in mono, but on top of it, we decided to also use processing to produce hundreds of new sounds, playing with the pitch shifts and reverb, distortion, feedback, or saturation to help reveal the sonic properties of these original recordings. All these sounds were all put together into the same collection with 720 sounds total with exhaustive metadata. So let's jump right in. It's crazy how much sound you can take off such an instrument. With all the tools we use, sometimes they were grinding sounds and the metal of grit and almost like the sound of a rock moving. So like this here. It's kind of sliding, metal sliding and grinding. The fact that they're tonal is something that we're very much used to here in our life, the resonance of metal. So it's almost natural in terms of when we bring it up slowly in a scene. But then when you want to stop it, then you get rid of it and it suddenly you realize that it was there all that time, and then suddenly it's not. So we kind of use it to make contrasts between scenes. So we've been very busy at Sonomar in the last few years, gathering many new collections that we're going to release with Pro Sound Effects. So this is all coming up in the coming year, and we're very excited to show you.